45 left. To tight 90 left through gate. To 45 right and 90 left and 45 right. Down to square left. So square left to hairpin right. Then fast right to gate, bump, braking to square right. Long 90 left. To hairpin left. To hairpin left. Into 90 right. 90 right. Down to chicane. Enter from right. Then long fast left. Watch merge from left. Long hairpin left. So long hairpin left. And to long fast right. Split left.
Split left.
Split left. Long left. Watch merge from right. Long fast left. Ooh. Ooh. Long fast left. To long hairpin left. Hairpin left. To long fast right. This time we split right.
Yep.
To square right and square left.
Split right.
So to square right and square left. Very tight. Then to fast right. Caution. Right into tight chicane.
Yep.
Chicane. Then out to the left. And then long hairpin left. Long hairpin left to a square right. So square right. And then straight up to a square right. So square right. Into chicane, left, right, left. To finish.